This video is an effort to show the problem, the manufacturing defect with a SunSetter 12-foot EasyShade awning. And I cannot get back far enough to show the whole thing one time. I'm on a deck, and my butt is up against the railing on the back. So I'm going to try to do it dynamically with a video. Now, the thing about it is the measurement of the fabric, which I believe was cut incorrectly, at the top or at the bottom of the thing. Oh my! Is 140 inches, I believe, and it's 141 and a half at the very top. So to kind of get this thing going, I'm going to stand over here. Well, yeah, I'm going to bring the awning down, and you can watch it walk as it comes down. Notice the line of the wire. The wire is staying the same, pretty much. Cat is trying to help out here. Okay, so follow the distance from, let's say, this groove and the tongue and groove, T and G. Okay, at the top is less than an inch distant from here to here. At the bottom, the distance is an inch and a half at least, an inch and 3/4 maybe. So, and if you notice here, it's 13, shows 13 feet. 8 7/8 down here at the measurement. It isn't, it's 2 feet, so it's 11 feet. And the actual distance is 11 feet, 8 7/8 inches. So the reason for that is that I had to set the tape measure over here. It's set at 2 feet. You notice right here is 2 feet. So subtract 2 feet from the 13 feet that you're seeing on the inside. Now, looking up, again, following this tongue and groove measurement, you pretty well can see it stays even. This side is even. There is no walking or telescoping here, and there is on the other one. I'm asking you to pay attention to the tongue and groove and the fact that the distance doesn't change. I could measure that with and show you with a tape, but it's basically, it should be pretty obvious. So we have a circumstance where it gets wider. The distance actually walks. I don't know if I'd like to be able to get this. Here we go. Up. Bring it in here. So, to the naked eye, it's very obvious that the fabric, you notice the fabric, the distance of the fabric to the crack. Notice how loose that is. That's a consequence of the rubbing. Anyway, it stays pretty even. Gosh, it's pretty even, maybe until about here, more or less. Fairly moving, and then suddenly it just takes off from here down to the bottom. So, okay. Tell you what, I'm going to raise this thing and we start here, as I said. Let's see. I'm going to kind of hold my hand here when it goes up so you can see it. Okay, we're starting out at, again, 8 7/8, well, 8 and almost, well, not quite 8 3/4. I'll put that up there. And you can watch it move. You see how it's moving? Up. There it goes. It's walking right over. I guess I'll go over and show on the other side that it is not walking. Which shouldn't be necessary, but does not move. Stays pretty much even. Maybe moves about 1/8 of an inch. Just watching the distance right up here. There we go. And that pretty much hasn't changed, as I said, all the way down. Still at 2 feet. And the gap remains about the same. I'll go have a look at this and see if I made a fairly persuasive argument.